my privilege to welcome you all in the morning session of 10th June of India's first virtual summer camp 2020, designed especially for our young learners to upgrade themselves with the latest technologies. So topic for the today's session is understanding industry culture, future of mechanical engineers. And to deliver lecture about this topic, we have today with us one of our prominent speaker, Dr. Mahesh K. Bhivapurkar, a professor from Department of Mechanical Engineering, OP Jindal University. Very good morning, sir, and welcome to the session.
Thank you.
Sir, without wasting any time, I would like to request you, please take care of the session. Over
okay, fine. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Abruji. Thank you very much. So, good morning, students. So, this is Dr. Mahesh Bhivapurkar. I am a professor in Mechanical Engineering Department of OP Jindal University. So, from few days, you learn about some basic things about, some physics, some chemistry, few new things, okay, from the textbooks. Now, today I will take it to the company, industry, okay. Because once you are taking admission to the engineering college, so you have the dream कि नहीं मुझे engineer बनने के बाद after engineering I will join this industry, I will join automobile, मुझे automobile engineer बनना है, मुझे steel plant में काम करना है, I become the engineer in power plant, okay. So number of things are there, okay. मुझे software engineer बनना है, सब कुछ. पर industry में होता क्या है? What happen over there? So आज मैं today I will do one thing. I will just take it to the industry virtually. Okay. So in Jindal we are work with the Jindal. So Jindal having the steel and power plant. So today let's have a your journey to the Jindal group. Okay. So let's start. So today in my content we will go to the first the power plant, and we will see how it works. What are the basic say equipments are there and how it is working. Then we will take a journey to the steel plant, and then after these two journey, then we will see basically overall how many departments and how many number of departments and various types of departments are there in the plant, and where is the role of your graduate engineers in the plant. Okay, and now once you are graduated from any engineering college, what the industry is expecting from you, from graduate engineers. Okay, and once you are selected, what they are expecting during interview, what are the qualities they are expecting from you after your graduations. And once you got selected in the interview, and as a fresher, when you enter in the corporate world, what are the challenges you people are facing, and how we OPJU, OP Jindal University, which is a University of Steel Technology and Management, bridging the gap between the academics and the industry. So let's start our journey today to the power plant. So now if you see any business organization, there are three categories are there. First is a finance. Okay, now you understood what do you mean by the finance. All finance related activities, yeah, resources, payment, everything they will do it. Then marketing. Whenever they are making any product, they have to sell the product in the market. Okay, so some marketing and sales are required. And in between that, before marketing, we require the operation. And here, the role of the engineer you will found in the operation. Okay, where the goods are manufactured and the goods are produced, and that will be sold in the market. So here in the operation, you will see that here the real role of the engineer will be there. Now, so if you see the transformation process of any operation, so you can say that this is my plant or any factory. So to the factory we have to use some input. क्या क्या चाहिए आपको input देने के लिए? तो factory में आपके workers भी चाहिए, engineers भी चाहिए. They are after some time they will get promoted, तो manager बन जाएंगे. अब बिना equipment के तो कोई factory plant chalne wala nahi hai, so we require the equipment also. We require various types of facilities also. Okay, equipment के लिए कि पानी चाहिए, water treatment चाहिए, electricity चाहिए. Okay, equipment run करने के लिए आपको क्या चाहिए? Some materials are required. Okay, some factory डालने के लिए you are required some land, you require some electrical energy and lot of informations you have to require. So that all those things input we have to give to the plant. And in the plant, here in the plant, you require the real operation and processes that is performed inside the plant, and then we are getting what? The output. Output may be in terms of the some goods or some services. Okay, so here in the operation, okay, your role is most important. So let's see. So if take any plant, it may be the say automobile sector, or it may be the power plant, it may be the steel plant. Okay, so how the whole structure of the plant will be there. So I'm taking the example of journey of the Jindal power plant over here. Now what happened? We are getting the electricity, right? The electricity, we are getting some transformer. So how this electricity came? So here you will find there will be the power plant. And here in the power plant, just a wait, I will take a arrow. Okay. So here there will be the power plant, and here the power plant generates the electricity. That electricity is given to the transformer. Okay. Why transformer is required? Because we are the voltage that is given to the transformer is less. Therefore, what I have to do? मुझे voltage को बढ़ाना है. I have to increase the voltage. That's why it is called as the step-up transformer. And that voltage then it is transmitted to the transmission line. जो आप रास्तों में बहुत जगह पे देखते हो है ना, long transmission line, that is called as this area. And then that from that transmission line, then the voltage is drop down. So that is called as a step down transformer. जो आपके घर के आसपास कहीं ना कहीं होगा मोहल्ले में. Okay, right. And from that transformer, then the electricity is given to the consumer. That means user. That is you and me. Okay, and that electricity we are using. If it is a say low voltage is there, then we are utilizing that voltage. If high voltage is there, then high voltage is given to the industry. बस दोनों में इतना ही difference है, right? So in the industries, high voltage is required. To the consumer for household purpose, low voltage electricity is required. Now in any thermal power plant, you will find three basic things. First is called as a BTG. B means BTG package. B means boiler, turbine and generator. आपके मैंने देखा है 10th 11 में there is a basic power plants will be there. उसमें thermal power plant, hydro power plant है ना, all those things have been learned. तो एक छोटा-छोटी चीज आपको already पता है, right? So उसमें main जो important thermal power plant में जो होता है तीन चीजें होती है, right? Boiler, second is turbine and third is the generator. Now to run these three, we require some supporting equipment जिसे बोलते हैं balance of the plant. So which is that chimney. तो जो भी boiler से जो भी gases निकलती है, after utilizing that gases, फिर हम लोग देखते हैं कि वो एकदम big column जैसा एक structure रहता है, that is called as chimney. वहां से आपके waste gases is coming out, that is called as a chimney. So that is required. So that is supporting the BTG package. दूसरा, we require the cooling tower. Okay, पानी चाहिए तो water treatment plant will be there. We cannot use just the raw water directly from the dam or the river. Okay, so उस water को treatment भी करना है, because जब भी आप अपने घर में देखते हो तो already you are using the OR and all those things, so that you are using the purified water. Similarly, जब भी कोई हम लोग power plant में अगर जो भी water use करते हैं, that water must be well treated. Okay, तो अगर हमें कुछ we require the coal, because water thermal power plant में coal is a essential fuel. Okay, अब coal के साथ में हमें कुछ fuel oil भी चाहिए. Okay, so that can be burned and the ignition can be given to the water. Then जब coal burn हो जाता है, it will be converted into the ash. So there will be a ash handling plant will be there, and some various types